guys, welcome back to DAT Family 5. We're on another adventure. Right now I'm at Norfolk Airport and I am on my way to Miami by way of LaGuardia, New York. So yeah, I'll see y'all when we get on the turnpike. Hey you guys, and welcome back. So right now I'm just be showing you a few clips of the airplanes. I was on 2 airplanes, one with 4 seats across and a really big 757 Boeing airplane after that. So you can get some clips of those, and I really hope y'all enjoy this video enough to go ahead and click that subscription button down below. Make sure that you ring that bell, a ding ding, and make sure that you comment down below. When's the last time you've been on an airplane? Have you been traveling since COVID been going on? Just let me know what's going on. You know, I like to talk to you in the comments and get to know you. All right, you guys, let's continue with this good music.
Maybe it was written in the stars, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me. Take me to your heart, take me to your soul. Never drawn apart, 'cause I belong to you. Be my guiding star, 'cause I need your loving, baby. And never let me down, let me down, let me down. I'm your song, yeah, you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, 'cause baby we got chemistry. You gave me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah.
We in New York, y'all. 2022, year 40. Yeah.
Forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars.
So hey you guys, I know I look like a complete tourist and I don't even care. I hope y'all having a good day. Oh my gosh, this place is gorgeous. We are in Brooklyn, New York, I think. I don't know, we're somewhere. LaGuardia Airport, I guess that's where we at, y'all. But yeah, that was a really short ride. Like, it was really like 30 minutes. It wasn't that long at all. I'm going back up the escalator. I don't know.
Gotta just be honest, I've been in my head. Reinforce my walls with all these hypotheticals. When it comes to you, no one really compares. But I'm scared.
Girl, I don't know. Girl, I am a complete... Hey, you guys. We're on our way to Miami. Going to Miami. Oh, yeah. And guess what? Since the sleeve, because before, last time, I needed extender. I don't need one. Look. It's closed. I got the seatbelt on. Yay. So let me show y'all New York. Okay. I met a new friend and she said that is the Hudson River right there. I was like, okay, cool. Yeah. Have a better one. so beautiful.
Welcome back to Travel with American Airlines. We're glad you're here. This flight is on its way to one of our many destinations across the globe, made possible by our dedicated team members who all do it for one reason: you. That's why your safety and well-being are so important to us. Let's go through some in-flight instructions so we can get you safely on your way. First, make sure your seat is upright. All larger electronic devices are put away and your tray table is stowed. Seat back device holders must be stowed for taxi, takeoff, and landing. If you have a carry-on, place it all the way under the seat in front of you. Larger carry-on luggage goes in the overhead bin. If you have a handheld device, please switch it to airplane mode now. If your electronic device falls into your seat, please do not adjust your seat and contact a crew member for assistance. If you are seated at an overwing exit, your window shade must disable or destroy the lavatory smoke detectors. Doing so may result in a fine. The safety card in your seat pocket explains the safety features of this airplane, including the location and operation of exits and flotation devices. But of course, don't hesitate to ask our crew members questions. This airplane has 2 exit doors in the front, 4 window exits over the wings, and 2 exit doors in the back. Take a moment to locate the nearest one, and keep in mind, it may be behind you. All door exits have evacuation slides to use in the unlikely event of an emergency. When directed to exit, jump onto the slide and move away from the airplane.
So real quick, let me tell you a story. So this guy right here is not my original seat partner. I had like 2 other people who didn't look like me. And they sat down and I guess they told the other flight attendant that they didn't want to sit next to me. And so they moved to another seat. So I stayed on her because I was represented. I am black, I am locked, and I am a woman. And she was locked, and she was black, and she was woman, and she was doing that thing. And I was excited and loved the fact that I was represented. So sometimes you just got to see representation everywhere. So thank you to American Airlines for having diversity in your flight attendants.
I shouldn't be standing with a heart that's so heavy. I shouldn't be up with all the weight that I carry. Don't know if it's right, but I'm sticking with you. You're my only vice, I'm dependent on you. Love's for the wicked, I know this shit too well. I talk, you don't listen, still I'm under your spell. I think I'm addicted to feeling bad as hell. I can just let you go. You're the one I wait for, even though I hate. Every time you leave me to my fate. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better for my soul. Better for my soul, yeah, better for my soul. Find somebody better for my soul. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better for my soul. Dreaming about the good days when you put me first, baby. When you used to call me just to say that you miss me. Don't know how we got here, but I blame you. And I blame myself just for sticking with you. Love's for the wicked, I know this shit too well. I talk, you don't listen, still I'm under your spell. I think I'm addicted to feeling bad as hell. I can just let you go. You're the one I wait for, even though I hate. Every time you leave me to my fate. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better for my soul. Better for my soul, yeah, better for my soul. Find somebody better for my soul. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better for my soul.
down with the Merlot. You know I'm on the line with the sun low. You already know the vibes when I pull up on you. Been looking at the sign like a horoscope. You say you wanna leave, but I know you don't. Talking about you wanna freeze what we got going on, but I'm seeing through the screen what's really going on. I know how you feel, I just need you to wait on me. I wanna do less of this latency. I wanna do less of that wait and see. When I get back to the city, I hate to leave. I know it's up being away from me. Till I put it down, feel like synergy. Swear that your body the remedy. You won't find nobody that's not me as real as me. It's to infinity. You won't find nobody better. It's to infinity. You won't find nobody better. Wait, it's to infinity.
All right, you guys. I have made it to Miami. As always, we are the family that loves life and having fun and giving the motivation and inspiration. That you need to live life abundantly. I'm gonna see my brother, and we're gonna end this vlog. Y'all be blessed. Wait for part 2.
Wind it up all night, baby, take your time. Let me know